Hello everyone, getting started. Myself Sekhar Metla, I am the software industry expert from the past 2 decades. So I worked with the various technologies of coding environments, development, analysis and accumulating all these real world skills to developing beginners and already professionals who wants to apply in real time programming. So let's see, getting started. Introduction. Welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down video lectures of the complete program. So learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system or any other device which you are using. Make sure to use of practical exercises and how to get and help. So check your knowledge using documents, shared code and a screen displayed while writing the instructor you have to follow. For quick instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques you have to understand to find bugs and error corrections. Submit your questions on Ask QA forum for detail on what you have tried and with the screenshot of error code by practiced by you. And now, how to approach the course. The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples of the parts of video sessions where you have to apply in your own real world examples to the code and you have to get the output. Thanking you.